Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Scarlet Violet 151 Alakazam EX collection. We get 3 promo cards and 4 packs. Alakazam EX. Attack from the bench with Alakazam EX. Alakazam EX plays mind tricks on your opponent by attacking for the bench. After evolving from Abra and Kadabra, this formidable Pokemon EX shows off its physical power, prowess. It's psychic type prowess no matter where it stands on the battlefield. The Pokémon's TCG Scarlet Violet 151 collection, Alakazam EX includes 1 full card featuring Alakazam EX, 1 full card featuring Kadabra, 1 full card featuring Abra, 4 Pokemon TCG Scarlet Violet 151 booster packs, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG Online, and 65. Let's open it. You know what's crazy? I just noticed there's no pin collection set in 151. Usually there is. Like in every specialty set, there's usually a pin collection. But there isn't for 151. That's kind of weird. Unless there is. There isn't, right? No, there isn't. Huh, interesting. Here's our promo cards. Abra, Kadabra, Alakazam. Oh, let me lower this down. Sorry, guys. Mind Jack. This attack does 30 damage to each of your opponent's bench Pokemon. This attack can be used even if the Pokemon is on the bench. I swear this card is meta, right? This is insane. That's a pretty insane card. Okay, so next box is facing down. This one's facing up. Okay, let's get to it. Sandshrew, Seal, Doduo, Tentacle, Rapidash, Nidorina, Raticate, Magnemite, Dragonite, and Dragonite full. We got double Dragonite. Dragonite should have gotten an EX illustrated rare. Wait, is Dragonite even Obsidian Flames? Bruh. Even though it's like, I don't know, Machop, my bad. Porygon, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster, Squirtle, Flareon, Starmie, and a Fire Energy. Oh, we got Dragonite. That's crazy. I didn't know. I'm missing Dragonite. So, but I got the reverse holo and the holo. Pretty nuts. Ghastly, Paris, Voltorb, Krabby, Muck, Daisy's Help, Venomoth again, Psyduck, Weezing. I don't think I'm going to get anything off this. I think we're on the last pack. You know, it'd be crazy if I pull Alakazam on Alakazam. Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Golduck, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Firebloom, Kabuto, Ditto, and yep. Dang, no hits on this one box. Sheesh. Let's see if box number 2 can offer some support. Again, here's our promos. I don't know, man. It's looking kind of tough right now in these streets. Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Ammonite, Tauros, Kadabra, Dugtrio, Rhydon, Firebloom. Oof. This is like a short unboxing video because this is like literally, I don't know. I guess this is to showcase the Alakazam line after so long, because only be Alakazam only. Giovanni's Charisma, Rhydon, Zubat, Growlithe, Articuno, and a Darkness Energy holo. Yeah, this is very pitiful, man. Not even a hit. Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Porygon, Krabby, Machamp, a Grass Energy. I'll be surprised if I pull 4 energies in a row. 4 energies in this unboxing video. I'll be impressed. Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Farfetch, Air Balloon, Primate, Pharaoh, Executor, Graveler, Ditto, and no energy. Alright, so I got shafted, mega shafted. 3 energies. And just the promo cards. Like brag. Anyway, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, man. I hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.